All right, so you're getting close to finishing your Scratch game or games, and now it's time to put it all together so that you can show it off and show what you now know. Because it's a little bit different this time around, we'd like you to show what you did, but also describe your little experience because many of you are coming at it from different angles, and we'll see some examples of what that means in just a second. There's a little rubric here that is almost all on the screen. There's a lot of stuff going on and a lot of words. So a year or two ago, the students came up and we came up with something a bit different. So you could pause now and look if you'd like. But basically, the 5 means can you get a tutorial done, go through the add-ons and have it work? Pretty straightforward. And in your ePortfolio, it has the basic description, and you'll see some examples of that in a second. And it tells you what you went through with your coding experience. I think that's extremely doable for everybody. 6, you sort of modified things on your own. Maybe you did a tutorial and you went through all the add-ons and then you decided to put a score variable in, or you decided to put multiple levels. And in your ePortfolio, you sort of show a little bit of your thinking about what worked, what didn't work. You have some other things like snapshots of your code. You have links to other things. Maybe you mentioned Lightbot. I don't know. Just kind of a big picture thing. And I think that's doable for most. I think that's what you should at least aim for. And 7 is, you know what, you just rocked it for whatever reason. It's you either rocked it, you did something incredible, or you made extreme progress from the beginning and you convey that through your ePortfolio page. So on your ePortfolio page, there's not a prescriptive things you have to have. And on this page, there's a bunch of things we suggest. Down there, you'll see a yes. Yes, you need your game or games embedded because I need to be able to see them. Yes, put a link to the code page because sometimes I may want to see what you did or make a remix of your game. And if it's embedded, I can't get to the actual game. So a link to the code. The editor page would be the editing or see inside page would be ideal. Maybe you talk a little bit of what you did. Describe how your game works. I'm interested in what you're thinking. Did you like this? Did you like it? What are you thinking? There's no right answer. I just want to know what you're thinking of now and in the future. Will you take a coding class next year? I don't know. And on the bottom right, there's some funky categories you might want to use to steal or borrow to, on your ePortfolio page. And we're going to show you some examples of that in just a second. So up next in the next video is some sample ePortfolio pages that you can borrow ideas from.